What are the best cars and SUVs that you can buy for reliability, safety, and resale value? That's what we're going to find out. Welcome to Car Help Corner, where we help you, the consumer, master the process of car buying and car ownership. For this video, I'm going to share the top cars and SUVs that you can buy that have the highest combined score for reliability, safety, and resale value. The data for this video is provided by iSeeCars, a reputable car buying website, also supplemented by data from Consumer Reports and safety data from NHTSA and the IIHS. But before we get into this list, remember, if you enjoy and get value out of this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. So let's start off with the hybrid car category, with the first vehicle being the Toyota Prius. When it comes to hybrids, they really don't get much better than the Toyota Prius. According to iSeeCars, the Prius earned an 8.9 out of 10 for reliability, 8.4 out of 10 for resale value, and a perfect 10 out of 10 score for safety. So this is a car that not only delivers stellar fuel economy, but one that you can safely hold on to for well over 10 years and not be worried about expensive repairs. The runner-up car in the hybrid car category was the Toyota Camry Hybrid, which earned a reliability score of 8.8 out of 10, a resale value score of 8 out of 10, and a perfect safety score of 10 out of 10. So if you want a reliable and fuel-efficient hybrid car that you can hold on to for a long time, going with a Prius or a Camry Hybrid are two of the safest ways to go. And next up, we'll do the minivan category, with the top pick being the Toyota Sienna. According to the study, the Sienna earned an 8.7 out of 10 for reliability, 8.5 out of 10 for resale value, and a perfect 10 out of 10 for safety. And again, this one is really no surprise, given that the Sienna has long had one of the strongest reputations when it comes to reliability in the minivan segment. And the latest version of the Sienna is easily the best one yet, only sold as a hybrid, which makes it the most fuel-efficient minivan that you can buy. The runner-up in the minivan category was the Honda Odyssey, earning an 8.7 out of 10 for reliability, 8.3 out of 10 for resale, and a perfect 10 out of 10 for safety. So whether you go with the Honda Odyssey or the Toyota Sienna, either way you're going to have a very safe choice. And next up, we'll do the luxury car category, with the top pick being the Lexus ES350. According to the study, the ES350 earned an 8.9 out of 10 for both reliability and resale value, as well as a perfect 10 out of 10 for safety. The runner-up in the luxury car category was a very similar car, the Lexus IS300. This one earned a very close score of 8.6 out of 10 for reliability, 8.9 out of 10 for resale, and a perfect 10 out of 10 for safety. The IS is the perfect entry-level luxury car if you're looking for something a little bit on the smaller size, or perhaps something that focuses a bit more on sportiness and performance. But if you want something bigger and more spacious, but also more comfortable to drive, then there's no question the ES is the best way to go. But either way, if you're choosing between these two luxury cars and want the best safety, reliability, and retained value, choosing between these two is the safest way to go. And next up, we have the mid-size sedan category, with the top pick being the Honda Accord. According to the study, the Accord earned a 9 out of 10 for reliability, 8.1 out of 10 for resale value, and a perfect 10 out of 10 for safety. And coming in a very close second, just behind the Accord, was the Toyota Camry, which earned an 8.9 out of 10 for reliability, 7.9 out of 10 for resale value, and a perfect 10 out of 10 for safety. Both the Accord and Camry are two of the best-selling mid-size sedans in the market, and it's really not hard to see why. Given their strong reputations for quality and reliability, either one would be an excellent choice if you want to minimize your repair costs. And given that both sedans are also available as fuel-efficient hybrids, well, that just makes them even more attractive. But if you're looking for something that's a little bit less expensive and on the smaller size, then you're going to want to take a look at the compact car category, with the top pick being the Honda Civic. According to the study, the Civic earned an 8.6 out of 10 for reliability, 9.1 out of 10 for resale value, and a perfect 10 out of 10 for safety. This made it one of the highest scoring cars of the entire study, earning an overall score of 9.2 out of 10. The Civic really is a solid car, and even though the new models have gotten a little bit on the expensive side, if you want a well-rounded car that really offers it all, including amazing safety and reliability, well, it's a really safe way to go. But you also can't go wrong with the runner-up in the compact car category, which was the Toyota Corolla. This one earned 8.5 out of 10 for reliability, 8.8 out of 10 for resale value, and 9 out of 10 for safety. So whichever way you go, the Civic or the Corolla, if you want an affordable small car, either one is a really good choice. And next up on the list, we have the truck category, with the top pick being the Honda Ridgeline. According to the study, the Ridgeline earned an 8.6 out of 10 for reliability, 8.4 out of 10 for resale value, and 10 out of 10 for safety. That's a very impressive score, especially when it comes to safety, which is an area that a lot of trucks have traditionally suffered in. But not only is the Ridgeline a very reliable and well-made truck, but it's also one of the most comfortable trucks that you can buy. So if you're looking for a truck that can handle it all without sacrificing daily comfort, this is a really good choice. The runner-up in the truck category was the Toyota Tundra, which earned an 8.6 out of 10 for both reliability and resale value, and an 8 out of 10 for safety. That scoring makes it both the most reliable and the safest truck that you can buy in the full-size truck category, which is an impressive achievement. And now moving away from trucks, if you want to buy a small subcompact crossover SUV, then take a look at the next pick on the list, which is the Mazda CX-3. The CX-3 earned a 6.1 out of 10 for reliability, 8.4 out of 10 for resale, and a perfect 10 out of 10 for safety. But if you'd rather have a brand new vehicle and want the new equivalent to the CX-3, then you'd want to take a look at the CX-30, which is essentially the same vehicle, only better in almost every single way. Another great option, which took the runner-up spot, is the Subaru Crosstrek, which earned a 5.6 out of 10 for reliability, 8.7 out of 10 for resale value, and 10 out of 10 for safety. So if you're looking for a reliable and affordable small crossover, either one of these would be a great choice. And next up, we'll do full-sized SUVs, with the top pick being the Toyota Land Cruiser. According to the study, the Land Cruiser earned an incredible 9.8 out of 10 for reliability and 8.5 out of 10 for resale value. Now, even though this is a very durable and reliable SUV to buy, unfortunately, there was no safety data available, and Toyota has decided to no longer sell the Land Cruiser in North America, which is a shame. Now, there are rumors that Toyota might be reintroducing the Land Cruiser to the market sometime in the near future, but in the meantime, if you want a very similar full-sized SUV, then you could take a look at the runner-up, which is the Toyota Sequoia. The Sequoia earned a 9.4 out of 10 for reliability and 8 out of 10 for resale value, which is not too far from the Land Cruiser. And that makes it one of the most solid and safe full-sized SUVs that you can buy on the market. But if you'd rather have something that's a little bit more practical and affordable, then let's take a look at the 3-row mid-sized SUV category, with the top pick being the Honda Pilot and the Toyota Highlander. Both of these SUVs earn the exact same score, earning 8.6 out of 10 for reliability, 7.4 out of 10 for resale value, and a perfect 10 out of 10 for safety. Although both of these are excellent SUVs to buy, there are some important differences between them. The Highlander is the better choice if you want something that's a little bit more on the efficient side, especially because it's available as a fuel-efficient hybrid. The Pilot is a better choice if you're looking for more of a traditional SUV, which still offers a standard V6 engine with really good towing capacity. It's also more spacious than the Highlander, which makes it a more practical vehicle. But either way, if you want a really reliable 3-row SUV, both the Pilot and the Highlander are excellent choices to go with. And finally, that brings us to the compact crossover SUV segment, with the top pick being the Subaru Outback. According to the study, the Outback earned an 8.4 out of 10 for reliability, 8 out of 10 for resale value, and a perfect 10 out of 10 for safety. This one is really no surprise. The Outback has long been one of the safest and most reliable SUVs that you can buy. It's also incredibly comfortable to drive and practical with a lot of interior space. And you can get it with either a regular 4-cylinder engine or a more powerful 2.4-liter turbo. Of course, the runner-up SUV in this category also has most of the same benefits, which is the Subaru Forester. The Forester earned a very close score to the Outback, earning 8.1 out of 10 for both reliability and resale value, and a perfect 10 out of 10 score for safety. Subaru has significantly improved the quality of many of their vehicles over the past several years, and it's really starting to show. But not only that, they've become top-performing vehicles in their segments when it comes to safety, offering a lot of amazing active safety technology as part of Subaru EyeSight, and also coming standard with Subaru's amazing all-wheel drive system. Now, even though the iSeeCars study offers some very useful data, there are of course other vehicles that offer very similar reliability, safety, and still offer amazing value for the money. But if you're just looking for a good place to start, well, the vehicles on this list are certainly not a bad way to go. So let me know what you thought of this video, and if you have any suggestions for any future car videos, just leave a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. You can also take a look at my other car videos by clicking these links over here. Make sure to follow me on TikTok and Instagram. And if you need additional car buying advice, recommendations, or help with getting a great deal on your next new car purchase, make sure to visit carhelpcan.com. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.